So you have a Roku Ultra and you have an issue where you get like a black screen, or maybe it's a blinking or flashing black screen. Maybe it's on the home screen. Maybe it's on one app. Maybe it's on several apps. Maybe it's on all the apps. Anyway, I have about 12 easy solutions. And by the end of this video, I'm going to say at least 80% of you guys should have a no blinking or flashing black screen. All right. Now, the first thing that we want to do, or that we want to try, is we want to go ahead and restart using a special key combination on the remote. Okay, and it's going to be this. It's going to be home button is right here. Home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once, and then rewind twice. Fast forward twice. Okay, we're going to do it together. Ready? Home button 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once. Rewind twice. Fast forward twice and let go, and you can see the TV is going to be acting funny. As this is just going to go ahead and restart it. This whole process takes maybe like 15 or 20 seconds. So just wait. It's like it'll freeze on the screen, and then give it like 10 seconds, and it's going to go ahead and restart. So just be patient here. Okay, it's starting to restart now. Booting back up. Now, once it's booted back up, go ahead and see if you have any flashing or blinking black screen. If you still do, we're going to go to the next step. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change your display refresh rate. So go ahead and grab your remote, click on the home button. We're going to go to the home screen here. We're going to go down to settings, then go ahead and move over to the right. Then from here, we're going to go all the way down to system right here. Go ahead and move over to the right. And now go ahead and go down to advanced system settings. Go ahead and move over to the right. And then go down to advanced display settings. Okay, now move over to the right. Now you want to make sure that the auto refresh rate is off. So if you have it on, go ahead and turn it off. And then once you turn it off, go ahead and test out your TV to see if the black screen or blinking black screen is gone. Okay, if it's still there, we're going to go to the next possible step. Next thing we're going to try is we're going to go ahead and try to change the display type. So grab your remote, go to the home screen, and again, we're going to go down to settings. So go all the way down to settings, go ahead and move over to the right. And then down here it says display type. Now go ahead and move over to the right. Now I want you to try every setting, okay? If you already have an auto detect, just go down 4K HDR TV. If you don't, most of you guys probably won't have that, but try down one more, 4K TV. That doesn't work, go down, try 1080p, and so on, all right? And hopefully that was the issue. If you're still having the flickering or blinking black screen, we're going to go to the next possible step. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that your picture settings is set to low power, okay? Now the thing is, you have to go to the settings on your TV, okay? Not your actual Roku device. So go to your TV, and you want to go to the settings on your TV. I have a TCL Android TV, but anyway, let's just go to settings here. And on this TV here, I'm going to go all the way up, and I'm going to go to the settings icon. Go all the way over to the right there, settings, click on OK. Oh, sorry. So for this TV, actually, I just click on the asterisk key. But basically what you want to do is go to your TV settings, not the Roku settings. You want to go to your TV settings, and you want to go to like somewhere where it says picture, okay? So mine says picture here. Let me click on that. And under picture, it's, it has brightness, color saturation, but you can look on mine, picture mode or picture setting. You want to go ahead and make sure you have it on low power. Okay, hopefully you have low power. So click on low power, and then go ahead and go back to your Roku Ultra, and then see if you have a flashing or blinking black screen. If you still do, we're going to go to the next possible solution. All right, so the next thing I want you to try is make sure you're back on the Roku home screen. And while the TV is on, I want you to go wherever it's plugged in, okay? In a wall socket, unplug it, pull the plug just like this, wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, fire up your Roku, and now see if it's working properly. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so the next thing I want you to try is, you see my Roku player, Roku Ultra is on right now. I want you to do the same thing as you did at TV, okay? It's on right now. Go to wherever it's plugged in, whatever wall socket. Go ahead and pull the plug just like this. Wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, fire up your Roku Ultra, and see if you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next solution. So the next thing I want you to do is just try this, okay? So wherever you have your Roku player, you can see mine is plugged into here, okay? What I want you to do is go ahead and unplug it and plug it into another wall socket. Go somewhere else and then give that a try. If you're still down, we're going to go to the next step. So for the next step is go ahead, your Roku Ultra is connected to an HDMI port on the back of your TV. Go to the back of your TV and change it to a different HDMI port and then see if you're up and running. If you're still down, we're going to go to the next step. All right, so most of you guys should be up and running now. However, if you're not, then we're going to go to the next step here. The next step here is what we're going to do is we're going to simply restart the system going through the settings, okay? So go ahead and grab your remote. Just go ahead and click on the home button. Go to the home screen here. Then you want to go down to settings, then move over to the right. Then from here, we want to go down to system, and then go ahead and move over to the right. And then from here, you want to go down to where it says system restart. Move over to the right, go ahead and restart it. After it boots back up, see if your TV or your Roku Ultra is now working correctly. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Next thing we're going to try is to perform a system software update. Okay, so go ahead and go to the home page here. We're going to go back to settings. So we're going to go down to settings. We're going to move to the right, and then from here we're going to go down to system right here. Go ahead and move over to the right, and then we're going to go down to system update. Okay, go ahead and move over to the right, and then go ahead and click on check now. See if you have an update. If you do, download, install it, and then go back and see if your Roku Ultra is now working correctly. If you're still down, we're going to go to the next step. All right, so for this next step, it's possible that there's an issue with your HDMI cable. You may need an actual high-speed quality HDMI cable. Okay, so look below in the description. I'll have a link for a high-quality HDMI cable. Now, the last thing I have for you is a factory reset, a hard factory reset. If you do a factory reset, once the reset is done, it's going to be as if you bought this brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to go through the whole entire setup process again. Okay, if you want to proceed with a factory reset, we're going to do a hard factory reset. We're going to use the button on the Roku Ultra itself. It says reset right here. Okay, we don't want to just press it once. You press it once, it's just going to restart the Roku. What we want to do is press and hold. Okay, so we're going to do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press and hold, and just wait for the light to flash here. I'm still holding. It's flashing. Go ahead and let go, and now it's performing a factory reset. And this whole process takes about like 1 or 2 minutes. And now I just performed a factory reset as if I just bought a brand new. Now I got to go back over to the whole startup process. Now the thing is, if you guys go through the whole entire process or the setting everything back up and you're still down, then go ahead and go over every single step again and give it like 2 or 3 more tries. Okay. Anyway, if this worked for you, let me know what solution worked for you or which one you think worked for you, and give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should definitely see much more thumbs up. All right. Good luck, guys.